Hey, so I'm in the kitchen. Of course, I'm making meals. My daughter wanted spaghetti again, and I was trying to cheat and get her the frozen kind, but didn't work out. So I'm in the kitchen, I had to make it. And then I made some shredded pork that I got from the Swan truck, which is called Yellow now, with some vegetables. So I got my chicken over there cooking, but I was gonna tell you about a little story now. We've been well for like 3 to 4 months now out of the hospital, so I'm trying to get her back on that kidney list. So I took her to the store and see if she can walk around without the walker, because she kept saying, oh, I can do this. So we get into the store and we walk around for 15 to 20 minutes. We get to the register. She's like, Mom, I need to go to the car. I need to go to the car. I'm like, oh, you're not going out to that car? It's 109 degrees. We got to pay for this stuff. And she was like, no, Mom, I need to go sit down. I'm like, I had to get in her ear and like, you can do this. Stand up. Hold on. We can get through this. Because, you know, you got to give them inspiration a little, because she's so used to laying in the bed, then when she get out, in her mind she can do it, but when she get out there, she don't do it. So nobody can understand what you go through until they go through it themselves. And then Thursday, my sister called me once I got home from work, is saying like, oh, Dad, they said Dad's gonna die, it's on his last day. My dad's like 90 something, and every day he's like, Lord, please take me out. I'm ready to go. You know, he raised on the farm and he used to do things himself. I mean, it's tough. So it's tough because when you are actually the person that's living with her, because she's my sister, it's hard to tell her, okay, calm down, and he's gonna die. Nobody's answering but you. And I was like, well, calm down, give everybody a chance. We all working, and it's not like we don't care. It was like, we'll get back with you. But she was just freaking out. And so, you know, I told her a little story that was told to me a long time ago, because I watched my daughter about 3 times, literally about dead. I mean, one time her daughter was graduating from high school, and we were at the graduation. They called, me and my brother had to dash out of there. We went straight to the hospital. Let me tell you, she was like gone. They had all these machines, the kidney machine, all these machines, and she was, you know, we was like, they were telling us, we don't know. I said, but, you know, I just had the faith, and I was like, well, God is all in your hand, and everybody's out of there. I just start playing in her ear, order my steps. I just put it in her ear, and I was singing to her, and everybody went out the room, and all of a sudden she would talk or nothing, and all of a sudden she was like, she came back. So, and I seen her come back that time, and then there's another couple of times that she got really sick, that they kept giving her tramadol, they kept giving her morphine because she couldn't get rid of the pain. And you sit there, I only heard her one time say, Mom, this is too much. And I was like, well, you know, hold on, we can get through this. And then all of a sudden she's like, but I'm gonna fight through this. And I'm like, she's a fighter. So, you know, saying this to say this, it's not your time, and it's God's timing, you know? And unless you've been through it, actually live it every day like I do and my sister do. She take care of my parents. She's in South Carolina. I used to go help out every other month. But now I can't, because she's in the hospital all the time, you know? So I call all the time to try to give my support as best as I can, and try to get out and do things best I can. Thank God for some girlfriends and friends that come by and check on me and just like, hey, you going? I'm gonna send for you. My girlfriend sent for me to come to Beyonce concert in Atlanta. I just like did a 2-day overnight. As soon as I got there, I had got a call saying, hey, we need to change her port. Oh my God, I'm thinking, oh my God, because if that port get infected, game over. She have to go to the hospital, and you know, all that stuff. So actually it worked out. So I got all kinds of nurses. I have a doctor that comes to the house, even though we take her to an appointment. Let me tell you, people that's living through what I'm living through, and my sister, and people that's doing it every day, not some days, every day, you have to understand, this is not easy. But hey, I went to visit a couple of my friends too while I had a little leave, and I got to his house looked just like mine. He got walkers, he got stair stuff, and it was like, okay, because you don't know. It could be her today, it could be you tomorrow. So hey, hold on. We all in this together, you know, and God put me in a place to, you know, help out, and I'm just gonna hold on until God says so.